Garlic can kill 14 different infections. So why don't doctors recommend it? Garlic is undoubtedly one of the most powerful natural antibiotics and has been found to be especially powerful in the fight of 14 different infections. Most of its medicinal qualities are due to the presence of a sulfur compound known as allicin, which also gives its pungent odor. It effectively protects against pathogenic bacteria, viruses, parasites, antibiotic-resistant MRSA, yeast infections, and cancer. When ingested, allicin turns into sulfenic acid, which is the fastest-acting free radical eliminator. The best way to reap the health benefits offered by this vegetable is to consume it raw, and press or smash the garlic clove, wait for 5 minutes for allicin to become active, and eat it. The National Library of Medicine contains 4,525 study abstracts on garlic which show that it successfully treats more than 150 chronic diseases, like infections and heart diseases. Garlic is one of the most potent natural ways to improve heart health and prevent strokes and heart attacks. Garlic is one of the most potent natural ways to improve heart health and prevent strokes and heart attacks. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report that heart disease is the #1 killer in the United States, followed by cancer. Garlic has been scientifically proven to be both a preventative agent and treatment of many cardiovascular and metabolic diseases, such as atherosclerosis, hypolipidemia, thrombosis, hypertension, and diabetes. A scientific review of experimental and clinical studies of garlic benefits on that its consumption offers cardioprotective effects in both animal and human studies. Additionally, garlic is able to reverse early heart disease by removing plaque buildup in arteries. A 2016 randomized, double-blind study published in the Journal of Nutrition, conducted on 55 patients, aged 40 to 75 years, diagnosed with metabolic syndrome showed that garlic extract effectively lowered plaque in coronary arteries, the arteries supplying blood to the heart, in people with metabolic syndrome. The lead researchers, Matthew J. Bdoff, MD, said that their findings just showed that this supplement can reduce the accumulation of soft plaque and prevent the formation of new plaque in the arteries, which lead to heart disease. Therefore, their conclusion is that garlic extract can help slow the progression of atherosclerosis and reverse the early stages of heart disease. Therefore, studies have shown that this versatile natural cure lowers blood pressure, prevents blood clots, fights vascular inflammation, dilates blood vessels to boost circulation, prevents oxidation of cholesterol, positively modulates blood lipids, retards progression of arterial plaque, lowers white adipose tissue, and increases white adipose tissue around the heart muscle, prevents dysfunction of arteries. Researchers have also found that garlic has potent anti-infective effects, and destroys the following 14 infections: Helicobacter pylori infection, Candida yeast infection, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus (MRSA), viral infections, herpes simplex 1 and 2, parainfluenza virus type 3, vaccinia virus, vesicular stomatitis virus and human rhinovirus type 2, group B streptococcus infection, thrush, fungal overgrowth in the oral cavity, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, including drug-resistant strains, Vibrio infection, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, multi-drug resistant, cytomegalovirus infections, mycotoxin-associated aflatoxicosis, Klebsiella infection, Clostridium infections, HIV-1 infection. Researchers admit that these findings are impressive, but they are apparently only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the medicinal properties of garlic. What's best, it causes no side effects and does not affect the beneficial microorganisms in our body. We suggest the following natural garlic remedy to help you improve your overall health. Before going to sleep, chop 2 garlic cloves finely, leave it for a few minutes to stimulate the enzyme linase, and then swallow them with some water. You can also mix the garlic with a teaspoon of honey. The regular use of this remedy will detoxify the body, fight bacteria, fungi, and viruses in the body, cleanse the liver, help digestion, and prevent numerous ailments and diseases. On the morning, drink a large glass of water. The strong garlic odor of the first bowel movement will only indicate that this veggie has stimulated the elimination of all waste and toxins from the body. Try it tonight.